What's going on, everybody? So, I was training a surgeon the other day, and this situation came up, and I thought it might be helpful to make a short video to show others a couple of the options in your preferences. So, we're taking a scan for a guide, and we go ahead and select check to refine all the data. So, we've got the data now refined and all cleaned up, and I was explaining the differences of the three different color modes. We've got this true color mode, it's more realistic, it's good for patient education. We've got our contrasted color mode, which really helps us evaluate the scan a little bit more clearly or a lot more clearly to make sure there are no stitching errors or issues with our scan that would affect our surgical guide. And we've got our monochromatic or STL type of visualization as well. And I was explaining the importance of making sure he evaluates the scan, not just in this true color mode, which is the first color that pops up in your check step after the refinement. So it was always necessary to select our contrasted mode or light off mode to visualize the integrity of our scan. And his comment was, well, that's annoying. What if we forget, or can't we just turn that off? And the answer is yes, we can actually turn that off. So if you don't have any need to show the patients for educational purposes more of this true color mode, you can actually turn this off entirely if you wanted to. So if we go back, we can go back to our scan, and we're going to go into our preferences, and we can go down to our color mode here. And under HD3D, if we turn this off, that's the true color mode that we are turning off. And now when I go back to my check step, the scan does its refinement, and you can see there's no option for the light on or off or the contrasted mode toggling. It goes directly into your contrasted mode, and you never have to worry about forgetting to visualize it this way and potentially compromising a case because you forgot to look at it in this mode. So again, it depends on how you want to do it. If you're comfortable in visualizing it and you like the ability to see the true color mode, leave it on. If you don't care, you never want to show a patient for education purposes, you can simply turn it off in the preferences and you'll be all good to go. Hope this helps.